I've had teachers, man, with Mensa level pedagogy, outstanding instructional practice, can get results if the conditions are right. But that mindset just killing them. Kids from that side of town, kids from Terra Boulevard, right? Kids from the west side, and every district's got it. Whatever, it's called something in every district. And they can't get their heads around how to make it happen. When what you project in your school year is based on the kids you receive, that's a thermometer, right? Kids come in hot, we're gonna have a hot year. Kids come in cold, we're gonna have a cold year. What you described is a thermostat. Kids come in high, I got to bring them down. Kids come in low, I got to bring them up. It's no different in adult world. So you can be the greatest teacher in the world, but if you are a thermometer, that means like your whole life is a roller coaster because it's all about the kids and where they come from and that class. I could do the same presentation in another district tomorrow and I'd have to take a slightly different approach perhaps because of the tone and tenor of the room. But the bottom line is, I got a place I need to take you. And that's all I think about. And all I think about is what adjustments do I need to make to get you there? Because I own it. And that's what a thermostat does.